Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will unbox the Moyu Rs3m 2021 Maglev version. So let's get started. Okay, now let's see how it turns. It's super fast. Let's see corner cutting. 45. Okay. Still does it. Oh, reverse is also good. Yeah, it's very good at corner cutting, and also yeah, it's good at corner cutting and also very fast, and the color contrasts are also great. Yeah, there is this spring compression system, and right now it's at 0, or how will I call it? I think it's 0. So I'm going to put it all in 3 and I'll see how it goes. So how will you do it? Here you could see there are like this teeth, and you will get this, and there are two gaps here, one here and another one here. So you need to put this here, then if you press and move it anti-clockwise, it will start to go up. And if I go the highest setting, you can see that here it's very up and it's on the highest teeth. If I move it one more time, it's a big snap and it will stay in 0. Right now, if it's 0, I will do 3, 1, 2, 3. I will do it in all sides. They don't open. Right now everything is at setting 3. It means spring compression, and it definitely feels a lot stable now. So I am not going to do a solve now because I want to see what the highest setting looks like. Now every side is at 8. If you think the last one, no, if you think the first one is 0, and yeah, it's not what you want from the Maglev. It has great corner cutting, that's why I'm able to do this, but it's a great cube, but I don't think this setting will be helpful for everyone. I am going to change it into setting 2 for every side because 3 was much stable for me, so I am going to do 2 because 1 was very fast. Now it's all in setting 1 because the lowest one is 0, and yeah, now it feels way better. I can actually do solves on this, and I think my time will be decent. I'm going to do a solve now. Let's see. Okay, now I'm actually going to do a solve now. No, I have to look through the camera, that's why it's so hard. I'm going to do it again. I think it could be better. This also sucks. Yeah, the cube is good. I am bad. Anyway, I am going to do a bunch of solves and I will let you know how I think about it. So I did some solves and I want you to see this. I started out with a 18, which was bad, and I also got a 12-second single, which is great. And not including the first solve, I got the average of 15.99, and if you look at my PV average, it is very close. So the cube is great, but sometimes I get some problems and got 17s because it was too fast for me. So it's a great cube, but I need to practice more. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.